That sound is the sound of being informed when everything else has failed. In an emergency, your phone can die, the power can vanish for days, but a reliable emergency radio? That's your lifeline to the outside world. But which one should you trust with your safety? We've drained batteries, tested solar panels, and cranked handles for hours to find the 5 best emergency radios of 2025. One of them has a power source so reliable, it's almost unfair, and it could be the most important piece of gear in your home. Number 1. Sangean MMR88. This AM/FM weather crank radio with USB is a rugged digital radio with 3 charging modes: hand crank, USB, and solar power. A built-in adjustable LED flashlight and loud emergency buzzer give additional functionality for bad weather conditions, and the high-power 850 mAh lithium-ion battery keeps the radio powered even in the worst weather. Number 2. Sangean CL100 NOAA. All hazards NOAA weather alert radio. Sangean's compact tabletop SAME weather alert radio is loaded with all the key features. The CL100 is a public alert certified weather radio and receives all NOAA reports informing people about severe weather advisories, monitors and warning conditions, civil emergencies, hazards, and evacuation details, so you can have more time to react before dangerous storms hit your area. When you're in a tornado path, seconds can mean the difference between life and death, and that's when the Sangean CL100 comes into play. A 3.5mm stereo auxiliary input socket is provided on the rear of the CL100 to allow connection of an external audio device such as an MP3 or CD player. The CL100 also has a built-in external alert output jack for other accessories, e.g., hearing/visually impaired, flashing light, and /outdoor siren/alarm. Number 3. Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip. The HHRT50 Road Trip includes a magnetic antenna so you can operate your handheld CB radio from within your vehicle. Mount the magnetic antenna to the center of your roof on your car for clearest connection. Sound Tracker System dramatically improves the transmission and reception of CB radios by filtering through 90% of noise. This system reconfigures the transmission signal and allows it to be transferred more effectively through cluttered air waves. NOAA weather and emergency radio. Be prepared and never surprised when it comes to changes on the road ahead. Get 24-hour updates on weather conditions, emergencies, and incoming hazards with the built-in NOAA weather radio channel. Number 4. CCRadio CCRadio Solar. Compact digital portable emergency radio that also performs so well, you can use it every day. Enjoy excellent AM/FM reception and NOAA weather broadcasts with superior voice-focused audio. Bluetooth receiving so you can listen to your favorite audio from your smartphone or tablet. Your phone can even act as a remote when using Bluetooth. High quality with attention to detail. The solar panel is much larger than similarly sized solar radios, and the crank generator output is greater at 400 mA. LED flashlight has superior light output and color. The UV-resistant rubber perimeter and concave base prevent tipping or provides excellent stability. The patented hand crank is folded in and laid into the back. Designed in the USA with a well-written instruction manual. Multiple power options. The included 3,400 mAh lithium-ion battery can be recharged by the wind-up hand crank, oversized solar panel, micro USB charging port or optional AC wall adapter, not included, or 3 AA alkaline batteries, not included. The lithium-ion battery is easily replaceable and will run the radio 35 to 50 hours when fully charged. Number 5. CC Skywave 2 AM. Discover local culture when traveling to a new city or country. The reception, audio and durable build are what this radio excels at. Full range AM, FM, NOAA Weather Band Plus Alert, shortwave, 2,300 to 26,100 kHz, VHF aviation, airband, and high-quality speaker. Great emergency radio when all communication is down after an earthquake, hurricane, and power outages. Digitally tuned multi-band receiver with superior sensitivity and selectivity enhanced by multiple bandwidth settings. Selectable fast or fine tuning on all bands, except weather. Direct frequency entry, auto scan and store, 400 memories. 10 aviation memories can be scanned for activity. Clock with 12 24/hour format, alarm, rotary volume and tuning knob. Lighted LCD display, stereo headphone jack and fold-out back stand. Includes shortwave antenna jack that can significantly improve shortwave reception when used with an external antenna. High-quality CC Buds earphones and faux leather radio carry case. Don't let the next storm, earthquake, or blackout catch you unprepared. One of these radios is your key to staying informed, powered up, and safe. All the direct purchase links for every emergency radio we tested are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide gives you peace of mind, please help us out. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends so they can stay safe too, and subscribe for more essential gear reviews that help you be prepared, not scared.